Hi guys, Rick from Newcastle Vehicle Exchange here. An excellent truck has just come in, and this is something very rare. You won't find many of these online. It's a 2012 model Toyota Hilux Workmate. So it's the 2.7 litre petrol. It is an automatic, and although it would have originated because the Workmates only came as well-back utes, this truck has been converted into a tabletop. So lots of builder's racks there, as you can see. And in the front bar there's a bull bar which has also got some holes there that you can put some more builder's racks in. So just a beautiful little truck. I have to say, look at the tray, it doesn't look very old at all. Underneath here it's got a tow bar. It doesn't have electric brakes, but if you do fit it with electric brakes, you can tow up to 2,250 kilos. It's a very handy little truck there. You can't go wrong with Toyota quality, and you can't go wrong with Toyota resale. So you do pay extra for the Toyotas, but I'll tell you what, they'll probably outlast all of us. So a lovely little truck. So we've shined it up the front bumper bar there. You will have to continue to do that. They do fade, so it was a bit faded, I'm not going to lie to you. You just get some armor roll or some tyre shine and you can keep it looking like that. If you don't, it'll get a bit of fade to it. So as you can see, good bull bar there. I do like to tell you all the good and the bad. There's not a lot of bad to say about any of our cars, but when there is, I will point out, so bottle of tyre shine and you're away. Now, this truck came in with seat covers. It looks like it's never been sat on. Have a look at that. Absolutely pristine on the inside. There's a long life left in this truck for someone. And again, a little bit here on the edge, which is just from the weight of somebody getting in and out. But I don't think that's going to bother you. Have a look at the rest of the seats. And over here, automatic, as I said, it's got rubber mats throughout the whole thing. Dark tinted windows. As I climb in and turn down the music, this is fitted with Bluetooth importantly, plus it's got the auxiliary and USB. Okay, the air conditioning's freezing cold, I can feel it. It's got airbags, a really nice steering wheel here. You can see it's not worn out in any way whatsoever. Still nice and smooth. 164 k's on the speedo. So just been fully serviced. It has got the logbooks there. And again, just have a look at the interior. It's a real standout feature of this truck. Not to mention the outside, but just that the inside really does give you an indication of what the owner was like. I'll just zoom out a bit here, or in a bit I should say. But again, 2012 automatic, 4-cylinder, petrol, dual cab, travel 164 k's, lots of racks ready to go. So if you need something for work or play, this truck is ready, set, go. There's nothing to spend. Tyres are good. Good tray, tow bar underneath, not got a gooseneck, you can always get one of them. But just a really good, honest Toyota Hilux dual cab tabletop. So we are Newcastle Vehicle Exchange, 264 Turton Road, New Lambton, in beautiful Newcastle, and right next door to McDonald Jones Stadium. My name is Rick Alley. You can get me on 0415 100 800. But please click on the link below. It'll take you through to our website, where you'll see all of the extras that this vehicle has got. Plus you'll see at least 20 still photos of it. All of our contact details. And just one thing before I go, you can download a free car history report. So don't go spending $36 on one. You can download them for free on our own website, and that'll show you that the speedo's never been tampered with, it's never been written off, stolen or anything like that. So thank you very much for watching my amateur video, and have a great day.